Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and I want to talk about two more Rhodes products. Let's get this in so you can see it. This is their mini mixer, and this will let you take two inputs and put them into a computer. So this could be the lavaliers they have. It also supports TRS and TRRS switchable, USB and Lightning compatible, and I'm going to open it up and show it to you. This is unboxing. But along with it, another real favorite right now is a little more pricey, I know, for business, but this lavalier. I have broken so many lavalier mics. This thing has Kevlar. It has a warning notice in it for not hurting yourself with the cable. So I want to open this, and a utility of this is plugging in the wireless modules that they have into this and then into the computer. Of course, the Rhodes cost a little more, but why I like it is if I have a problem, I can call and talk to tech support and get someone to answer. So let's open this thing up. Okay, box. And now, concerns. One, they wrote this for someone that will never be over 40 to read. They need to give, Rhodes, you guys, I love the pictures and they're great, and the QR code, that's good to get going, but I'd love to see more support videos explaining your products. I think you'll sell a lot more, and I'm going to send this to Rhodes support. Rhodes needs to do a little better. They're kind of like Sony. Great products in the video, photo stuff, really lame in their video instructions. So here's the little guy. Just a little thing. There it is. See that? That's it. Nice, clean. I'll put some, as I find them, I'll put more videos that talk about using them. Of course, the box is a little bit of a battle to get into, but they do this generally, I believe, as a former Radio Shack manager, so that people can open the box and then put it back and sell something is already open. Now, here's the cable. And so what it gives us here, let's just go over it. We've got USB-C right here, right there. And now what I'll do is I'll take my label machine and label these so that I don't go, where did this come from? Luckily, it says Rhodes. They feel well made. And then here's the USB-C, which it accepts to USB, which is another piece. And another cool one along with it is USB to the Lightning on the iPhone. So hopefully iPhone won't change that. And, Apple loves to abuse its customer and make them buy new products. So these are the ones right now we have. And so this is the three of them. So I want to let you see it. We'll plug it in. So see, this is what it looks like. And that's the ports that you have. They have a place you can put the headphone in for monitoring, and then you can have, it also interfaces well with their software, so you can have kind of like a software mixer that goes with this. So they are really working hard to have a integrated solution that, to me, I know it's a little expensive for the micro business, but still is affordable and gives what would have cost thousands of dollars not many years ago. The next one I want to just do is make sure you know about this guy and show it, because I'm switching to my mics. Now, the wireless pick up enough, but sometimes you want a lavalier on it, and I want, and then you can keep the transmitter in your pocket. So I'm going to open this up, and this uses a TSR connection, and it really claims to be professional quality. And it is also designed to minimize interference. So that's important, because a lot of the real cheap wireless are fine when you're in a rural area and you don't have a lot of electromagnetic interference. But then once you get in a more highly dense area, you'll have EMF interference on things. So let's open this guy up. Open that box. There we go. And then this thing also has its own serial number, so I have not yet recorded it, but probably make sure to record it. Comes in a really nice little box. And now what I'll do is I'll take my silver Sharpie and put my name and address on it. Obviously, if someone wanted to steal it, they wouldn't return it, but just in case. And then here it is in the box. You can see this. And I just really, I saw this. I went, as a warning notice, look at this. I went, what the heck? What dumb thing did someone do that they have to put this on? Then I read it's Kevlar. I think I mispronounced it, Kevlar. Anyway, it's Kevlar. I went, this is actually really sturdy. And then it comes with a solid mic that can work. This will, I believe, work with even the older unit. I have an older unit too, that is the bigger. And then you want to see the microphone. Let's get this so you can see it. There we go. See the microphone? You want that facing away from you, but that's really, look how, this is just really well made. And of course, I started with cheaper things when I began. It comes with a screen for wind. And it also comes with a really nice pop filter there and a quality clip. And then it comes with, if you want a color code for multiple ones, you can do it. I'm not going to do it. And I generally don't like the colors that they choose. They're trying to please everybody, I understand. And let me get it out. So this is just not a cheap thing that drops over. This is really made for the unit, and I want to show you, and it clips on really solid. Now, one trick I learned from a professional with this is that when you clip this on, you then kind of loop it. I'm going to try to loop it and show it to you. You loop it underneath the clip so it gives a little more support. And then this is a really solid clip. I'll probably see if I can buy an extra one just to have. And it clips onto it. And then it has a nice grabber for the wire because you really want that little loop in there. Let me get this out of the way so you see it. The loop in the wire. The other trick I had seen is they loop it under the clip. You can see it looped under the clip there. But it looks like this should hold pretty good. It'll clip in there and clip on. So extremely impressed with the quality of Rode's. Now, again, Rode's support, my comment is, do a better job with your education. Stop the cutesy marketing videos of just people having fun. That's okay, but you'll sell more stuff when people uses them because they have a lot of features that aren't immediately apparent. Their wireless has tons of features, and they need to walk through each one of the features and explain it. That I may do that in time, but if I find someone who's done a good job, I'll put in the text for you as well, because I don't need to make all types. But again, wrap up. This is a little mixer. Looks like good reviews. Looks solid. And this is something I can use in multiple ways, from carrying it on the road and connecting up either the wireless or to wireless and going into a Mac or PC and utilizing their mixer. This is Martin Brossman. Remember to click subscribe and the bell, and if you get value, share this with people. Check the text below because I'll keep updating with anything I find that would help people out more. Have a terrific day.